Pastrnak. Got by Mitch Marner, forced to his backhand, back to the blue line. Chara shoots up high. That hit Morgan Rielly in the head, and they need some help on the ice right away.
I think it hit him right in the visor as puck just came through. He was unaware of where it was as he was battling his man, and you could tell the Bruins, Marchand and Bergeron, were calling for a whistle immediately.
Must have been a fluttering puck. Chara just leaned into it.
He's got the evidence there of the puck. I think it was a hard pass to the point, and it looked like it fluttered a bit on Chara. And Morgan Rielly just never saw it coming. He was engaged with his man, and that's one of those dangerous plays. You don't have time to get out of the way. Look at the battle going on in front, and Marchand just ducked at the last second, and oh boy, that looked bad, right underneath the visor, and hopefully he'll be okay.
Zdeno Chara had that happen to him earlier this season with Philippe Deneau in Montreal. He was seriously injured for quite some time, and Morgan Rielly and his own steam left the ice here and has gone to the dressing room.
And Bergeron got it to Pastrnak. Toe drag, shakes loose, pivots with it now. Chara the drive, and that one hit Rielly, and he goes down, and they immediately want attention for him. Marchand was waving to the Leafs bench.
And he's lucky that Chara didn't get all of this. This was a flutter ball shot. If this is a legit Zdeno Chara shot, this could be big problems. Puck's going to come back to Z. Now watch the puck fluttering like that, so it doesn't have a tremendous amount of velocity, and Morgan Rielly just can't get out of the way. That's going to probably lead to some dental work. It gets him below the shield and just below the nose, but watch, he doesn't really catch it clean.
I know it's Marchand that sort of shields himself, and in the meantime leaves Rielly vulnerable. That's an old basketball trick, Doc. You know, you throw a chest pass at your teammate when you want to beat somebody off the head. You just duck.